Good morning, y'all. This is Tina. I just wanted to share with you. Look at all this beautifulness that I get to play with today. I'm so excited. These are Jenifer's from A Trace of Sparkle. This is her. I'm gonna try to put it up here so you can see. August Rose collection. Oh my goodness, y'all. This collection is gorgeous. I'm so excited to work with this. And I have them scattered here because it's just, I have so many ideas going through my mind right now with what I want to do with these. I'm going to stack them all up because I want to show them individual. You have got to see how pretty. Some of these I've printed twice because I just love them so much. And I don't know yet what I'm doing with them, but I want to show y'all before I start because they are just gorgeous. Okay, I can't get it perfect, but it's okay. Make sure I'm in the view here. This is one of the this is just some that I printed out on paper, and then I printed some out on card. Y'all look at this. Is this me or is this me? The ones that know me know about how I love the roses and these colors. Oh my goodness. Look at this, y'all. You know I'm all about the Victorian look. Look at this paper. Oh my goodness. I am in love. Look how pretty these sheets are. OMG. I had to do this one twice, y'all. Oh my goodness. Jenifer, this is my taste right here. Just, oh my goodness. Love it so much. Love it, love it, love it. Look at these, how pretty. Oh my goodness. Look at this one, how sweet. This one is just very soft. Y'all need to go visit Jenifer. She has some beautiful, beautiful digitals that you can play with. Look at this, y'all. Oh my goodness. Y'all know I love a fire. Oh my goodness, and look at the roses. Oh my goodness, this looks like my grandmother's chair that I have in my bedroom. Reminds me of my grandma's chair. Oh my goodness. So beautiful. Look at that. Look at this one with the typewriter. So pretty. I don't know why I'm whispering. My husband's in the other room, but he's watching something, so I don't know why I'm whispering. I hope y'all can hear me. Look at that. I always feel like I'm yelling though because I'm right up at the camera. I don't want to hurt your ears or anything. Look at these prints, how pretty. This right here is gorgeous. Oh, and this is, oh my goodness, this is one of my favorites, y'all. And I'm having a hard time deciding. Look at the little birds. I don't know what I want to use for my cover. I know I'm going to make some kind of booklet or book or journal. And I just am having a hard decision because I love them all so much. These are very similar, but the way she has them turned and the way she's made little differences in them, they're different, but some of them are the same prints. And oh my goodness, look at this. This is a big shot of that bird print. Oh my goodness, how cute is that? So pretty. I just love them. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. I just hope I have enough time to do everything I want to do. Because there's so much I can visualize in my head what I'd like to do. Look at this. These are printed on card. Because these are going to be tags, of course. Look at that sweet bird one. Love it. Look at these. Oh, they're so pretty. There's her name again. A Trace of Sparkle. Her name is Jenifer. This is the name of the kit. August Rose. Y'all need to go check this out. It is gorgeous. You need to go purchase these digitals and so y'all can play with me. Can make you something beautiful. pretty. She even includes the envelopes. You fold these into envelopes. She includes some little words that you can use for decoration. So sweet. Look at these files, how cute. All you have to do is clip them out. She's even got the lines here, and you fold them into little files. They're so cute. Tickets. These tickets are gorgeous. Big and small tickets. We all like tickets to stick in pockets. And look here, y'all. She's even included little paper buttons. Oh, how cute. You can fussy cut that. You can punch the little holes out and put thread through it and make a little bow. How cute is that? More little envelopes. So cute. And then these cards. And these are like the big papers, except for these are smaller versions, and I printed them on card so I can use them as a real card. They're so pretty, Jenifer. I just love them. I'm so excited to get started on this project. And hopefully I can figure out what I want to do. I have so many ideas. Maybe I can get to it, figure it out, and I can get it and show it to y'all soon, the reveal. And I just wanted to share this with y'all today, and I hope everybody's having a great week and a great weekend coming up. I know school is ending, and I know my grandbabies are excited. And I'm excited too because they stay with me mostly during the summer. So I'll be having a lot of helpers on my projects coming forward this summer. But I hope everybody has a great day, and I will see you soon, hopefully, with a project using these gorgeous papers.